Understanding the First Paragraph, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of English language learning, understanding the significance of the first paragraph in any piece of writing. Whether you're reading an article, a story, or any written content, the first paragraph holds the key to what you can expect. Let's explore why it's so important and how you can master the art of interpreting it effectively. The first paragraph serves as the doorway into the writer's world. It's designed to grab your attention, introduce the topic, and set the tone for the entire piece. Think of it as the opening scene of a movie, where you get a glimpse of what's coming. In essays or articles, it often contains the thesis statement, which is a sentence that presents the main idea or argument of the piece. A compelling first paragraph contains a few key elements. A hook. This is a sentence that grabs your attention. It could be a surprising fact, a question, or a bold statement. Background information. It provides context to help you understand the topic better. Thesis statement. Especially in academic writing, this sentence states the main idea or argument of the text. Understanding these elements can help you anticipate what the rest of the text is about and gauge how it might be structured. To effectively analyze the first paragraph, consider the following tips. Identify the hook. What technique did the writer use to grab your attention? Look for the thesis statement. Can you find a sentence that summarizes the main idea? Determine the tone. Is it formal, informal, serious, or humorous? This can give you clues about the writer's purpose and the audience they are addressing. By practicing these analysis techniques, you'll enhance your reading comprehension and critical thinking skills. Congratulations! You've taken a crucial step in becoming a more proficient English reader by understanding the importance of the first paragraph. Remember, the first paragraph is your guide to unlocking the treasures hidden in the pages that follow. We hope you found this video helpful, and we encourage you to apply these insights to your reading practice. Happy reading, and see you in the next video.